Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Farid Safi, IELTS trainer. But in today's lecture, I'm not going to talk about IELTS because we have recorded a lot of videos related to IELTS. I've been asked by many students like to record videos on OIETC or ELT, or you can call it Oxford test. It's very common test nowadays. Most of the students they take or take test or ELT. So in today's lecture, we will be covering about that test. Well, it will be a complete guide to the OIETC speaking part 3 test. We will be like recording, the videos on topics. They are very common type of topics that they are repeated in the exam. So first of all, let's take a look and OIETC speaking part 3 test, because you might know that this part, like your speaking, will be based on your writing task. In writing the essay, whatever essay you have written, so your speaking would be based on that. If you don't know about that, Claire, so I have already recorded some of the videos on this part, so you may go and watch those videos to clear your mind. So what will be there, that you will be given a topic, like for the essay. This is suppose my essay topic. In the past, becoming a celebrity meant you had real talent, you could dance, act, tell jokes, play a professional sport, or had achieved something incredible in science or technology. Nowadays, there are many TV shows that allow ordinary people to go on television and become celebrities. Even though really they have no talent, people shouldn't be allowed to go on TV shows unless they can demonstrate some skill or talent that is entertaining. To what extent do you agree with this statement? Now, this is my essay topic for OIETC or ELLT test, Claire. This topic would be given, and once you write down your entire essay on this topic, after that, you will have some days. The format of OIETC or ELLT test is this way, that you will go with, you are supposed to submit reading, writing, and listening portion. These three portions, like to the examiner on the spot. Where so far your speaking part is concerned, there would be some days, and it depends on you. Whenever you are free, you can select a date for yourself for the speaking. Claire, you can take a week, 2 weeks time to prepare yourself. And the speaking will be entirely based on your writing, the essay, the topic. Like this is the topic, you had written your essay. So entire speaking will be like, based on this part. So in part 3 of your ELT test in speaking part, this is this is the question. So how examiner can ask you questions related to this? Let's proceed towards that. Now, this is part 3. For example, who is your favorite celebrity? Now, because you have written your essay on your favorite celebrity, or that was about famous people. So now what we can do, you will be asked questions related to the topic you have already written there in the writing one. So this is how we can go, who is your favorite celebrity? And this is how you can give your answer for this portion. Clay, you may read it out with yourself. So this is my answer, like how you can give your answer for this type of question. Then if examiner asks you, what is a celebrity? Clear? Then if they ask you what is a celebrity, then you can explain what is a celebrity. Because the question, clear, the topic in writing essay and essay part, you have been given with celebrity. And now he will continue asking questions related to celebrity. So this is how you can give your answer. After this, like for example, what type of show do you watch on TV? So this is how like you give your answer. This is the way to give your answer. Now, for example, the same way how you can be asked further more questions. What is the most common entertainment sector in your country? Claire, and then you can talk about like singing, suppose. Claire, this is how the answer it has been. This is the model answer you can give for this question. Then we have, how can TV shows, Claire, educate people? How can TV shows educate people? If the question has been asked, this is the model answer you can give for this part of your question. If the question is about how a false celebrity misleads the younger generation, this is my question, and this is how you can give your answer. Now, let's proceed further towards the next slide. Now, how the question it is, do you like any foreign celebrities? This is the question, Claire, and this is how you can go with the answer. This is the model answer. For example, would you like to be a celebrity? Now, this is one question, and you need to provide reason why. Why do you want to be a celebrity? And if they ask you this type of question, this is my model answer you can give. Do you think we should protect famous people's privacy? This is my question, and this is how you can give your answer. Hopefully, it's quite clear to you all. Then, this is the vocabulary portion, like the vocabulary words we have used there, Claire. If you didn't get any of the word, Claire. So this is how meaning is mentioned. You can check out the meaning, and plus, you can have an example for that part as well. Like, for example, physical changes, changes in appearance, Claire. And this is how, like, you can make an example. In some ways, the case with all of them. This is the vocabulary, clear, outstanding, and all the words with meaning and examples. You may study it properly, and you're preparing yourself, like if the topic it comes to you on celebrity and you're writing an essay topic, then how can